What's up, everyone? Welcome to our state swim assembly. Congrats to the girls swim team on taking state. I would like to invite Coach Spenlove up here to talk to all you guys about the season and stuff. So come up here, Spenlove.
All right, so I guess I was supposed to say some nice things. I was told once if I didn't have anything nice to say, to not say anything at all. But for you guys, appreciate you guys being here today. This is pretty good, pretty big accomplishment for the swim team and the swim program. Before we do get started, I'd like to, first of all, congratulate the boys as well. They did an awesome job this year as well. And sorry about that, I'm still working. My radio might go off a few times. So, but we should have a pretty good boys team in the future here. We got some pretty good sophomores coming up, so excited about that. So congratulations to the boys as well for their accomplishments this year. I don't know if we're supposed to get the team up here now or what, but I think they should be up here with me if I have to talk. So why can't we get the whole girls team to get up here with me? While they're coming up, I'd like to thank all the administrators, office staff, teachers, other coaches that have been so supportive of us, and the community who's really supported this team to get us going. A lot of you guys know we're not very old. We've got about 9 years in, and now we're pushing. We went from 6 kids to pushing 40, 50 kids every year now, so it's pretty awesome. So this year, first of all, congratulations, ladies. This is a huge accomplishment. This year we've, it's been up and down year, but these girls have worked really hard. A lot of them for 4 years. I count 8 years for some of them because I coach them in 2 sports. And if any of you guys know a lot of these girls, I should get credit for 8 years for coaching them. Those ones in the middle, all these seniors. But they really work hard. They're athletic, they work hard, they're fun, they're goofy and crazy, they're fun to be around. They joke around a lot, but they really work hard and they're very dedicated to what they do. So I appreciate what they've done. This year I believe we've set 3 new team records in 2 of our relays and 1 individual this year, which a lot of you guys know we've had some excellent swimmers here, and that's a pretty good accomplishment for what they've done this year. So I really don't have a whole ton to say. Congratulations, ladies, and I think I'll turn the time over to the captains.
I just want to thank our parents especially first for doing all the team dinners. They're always at our meets supporting us, which means a lot. And then our coaches, they're really great. Especially Spenlove, he's always telling us how good we are, even though we don't believe it. And Higgs is always joking around with us, which means a lot. And then I want to thank the swim, the staff of the swim, especially Jackie. She's always making sure that we're doing good stuff. And I don't know.
Okay, well, I don't really know what I'm going to say, but I'm just going to share a memory. And one of my favorite memories was when we skipped swim and went into the shower and made a bath in the shower. But we got yelled at for it. But I mean, it's okay. And we got rubber duckies every time we won a race. So that's cool. But we like swim for the most part. And we love our coaches. So.
I don't really know what to say either. I'll say I really love this team. I'm grateful for these 4 years. I'm going to miss swimming a little bit, but I know I'm really going to miss the team. I'm really grateful for our coaches, all the time they put in. I'm grateful for Spenlove, for Higgs, Grateful for all the parents and their support. And yeah, I'm glad we were able to do this because we've really been working for 4 years, and this year it felt like it meant something, so that's it.
Again, with everyone else, I would like to thank my coaches, but not just Spenlove and Higgs, but also my drill coaches for helping me out as I was doing drill and swim at the same time, all 4 years, and it's been an amazing experience. I also would like to thank Spenlove for helping me through the years and accomplishing the 2A Women of the Year swim, which was a very big accomplishment of mine, and I really appreciated it. And thank you to all the parents that were there to support us, and for the cheer team for being there to help us time and everything. And yeah, thank you.
Stand right there. Stand right there. And just one more thing, Lizzie here was the 2A swimmer of the year as well, so give her a big round of applause for that. So.
You guys can go sit down. We're gonna have a slideshow really quick, just to see how our swim year went, and then yeah. Okay, on behalf of Millard High School swim team, the girls team, I present you with this trophy.
And on behalf of Millard High School, we accept this trophy.